Thank you for watching, and remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support.
During 2017 as well.
Yeah, it's such a big deal when you get snow in the south, even just flakes, let alone accumulating snow. So when you get snow where you can make a snowman in a place like Birmingham, into Atlanta, into Baton Rouge, that's really something, and certainly makes it memorable. We do have one severe thunderstorm warning in effect here across northern parts of Florida. This is from that cold front that's been swinging across the region. So Lake City, you're under that severe thunderstorm warning till 4:45. There is a tornado possible tag on that, meaning that a little bit of broad rotation being detected by radar. Not strong enough that we could get a tornado out of it, but it is a rotating storm and something we need to track very closely. So take that warning seriously. This is going to be crossing I-10 and heading off towards the east. Jacksonville, just a heads up that we do have some of those storms headed your way as well. So the risk of severe weather, severe weather that we've had in a while.
Yeah, and you always got to keep your eyes on the Gulf Coast in the wintertime because you've got this, ready source of warm.
A couple of spotty showers across the region, but I really want to point out here around Snoqualmie that we have some convergence that's taking place, and we're getting some really heavy snow rates around 1 to 2 inches per hour. So that snow is really going to be adding up, making it very difficult to travel here through the passes. And it's not just going to be Snoqualmie. We think Stevens is going to get in on the action here this afternoon and this evening as well, and that's why we've got the winter storm warnings in effect. Now Seattle, while we haven't seen a lot, we've actually had some breaks in the clouds and a little bit of sunshine here or there. Showers are going to be a little bit more likely to return later on tonight and into tomorrow. This is going to be this big storm system to track. It's actually going to be hooking up with an upper level disturbance, and that's what's going to bring a lot of this snow across the higher elevations into California, through the Wasatch, into the Rockies, and then eventually this is going to be working its way towards the plains. So Carl, this could be the first really significant snowstorm for parts of the plains.
Yeah, a lot of people have been
we are watching that coastal low here intensifying off of the Atlantic coast here into the northeast. This is bringing some rain showers right now across the Cape. We've got snow showers into the interior. Most of us are going to get away with a coating or just rain. Now, the west, we are tracking our next winter storm. It is bringing heavy snow right now into the passes across parts of the Cascades. This will bring snow to the Sierra for tomorrow, head through the Wasatch, eventually into the Rockies, and then even snow as we head into the plains as we round out the rest of our work week. There will be a warm side to that storm as well that may bring severe thunderstorms to parts of the Mississippi River Valley, including you in Jackson up towards Memphis, even stretching up into the Ohio River Valley. This is going to be a Friday evening event. There will be a chance of damaging winds and perhaps even a few tornadoes. Right to the south, it's across North Florida right now, and that warm front is going to be lifting northward over the next couple of days. At the same time, that attendant cold front will be following, and that's going to allow a big surge of moisture to infiltrate the region once again. Higher dew points, higher moisture, more fuel for storms to get going. It also puts us in that warmer sector where temperatures are going to be about 10 to 20 degrees above the average, so things are going to warm up again. You put those ingredients together, and it's easy to get severe weather to break out even in the month of December. So severe weather will be likely in some areas, at least possible, on Friday into Friday night. I think the conditions are going to be most favorable into the evening hours. The risk stretches from the Gulf Coast, including you in Houston and over towards Lafayette, all the way up into the Ohio River Valley, including Indianapolis, but most likely in Louisville, Evansville, Nashville, Memphis, Little Rock, as well as into the Shreveport area. So a few tornadoes will be possible, but also we could get some lines of thunderstorms developing, creating some straight line damaging winds. So nice big piece of energy and a big trough that's going to be dipping through the region. We'll have that warm air and a lot of energy sufficient to provide that support and lift to get storms going. Our strong low-level jet will help to bring in that moisture, and our winds will be turning with height, leading to the chance of a couple of supercell thunderstorms, or Carl, maybe a line of those storms that could be developing with embedded tornadoes within them. Those are always tricky, especially after the sun goes down.